I'm Ben. I'm a high school teacher who loves to cook. As a public school employee, my salary is a matter of public record. In fact, with just a few clicks, anyone can see exactly how much money I make each year. Look at that, $45,257. Now, there are two very important things to know about that $45,257. One, I'm grateful for every penny of my salary, and I consider myself fortunate to live in a country where this is considered a below average income. Two, I enjoy my job. I love working with students, and I have summers off, which grants me time for other pursuits, for instance, creating the YouTube channel you're currently viewing. However, $45,257 does not make me wealthy by American standards. Thus, Home Chef-onomics. On this channel, I'll share with you the money-saving strategies I use in my home kitchen so we can all have more money to use for other things. According to MoneyUnder30.com, the average restaurant meal costs $13, whereas the average home-cooked meal costs just $4. Let's take an extreme example, in which someone eats lunch and dinner at a restaurant 7 days a week. I realize this is unlikely, but stay with me. Lunch and dinner is 2 meals. Multiply that times 7 days in a week, multiply that times $13 per meal, and we're looking at $182 per week. Scaled up, that's $728 per month, and a whopping $8,736 per year. If that same person had cooked every meal at home throughout the year, again, unlikely, but stay with me, their total food cost would have been just $2,688. That's a savings of over $6,000 in 1 year. Expand that over a lifetime and the money really adds up. Like a lot. Now, you and I don't fit this extreme example. However, I'm completely comfortable saying that the average person can save between $2,000 and $3,000 per year by cooking more at home. That's an extra $2,000 to $3,000 per year for car payments, rent, investment, vacation, or just financial empowerment and ease of mind. I am not a restaurant chef, nor am I an Instagram star. You probably aren't either. Our food's not always going to look perfect and beautiful, but that's okay for me and it's okay for you. Let's make real food for real people with real budgets. If you enjoy my videos and want to support the creation of more videos like them, consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a patron. Thanks.